Hi, my name is Mark Walker. I'm the editorial director of the Fintech Times, and we're here at Seamless in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for Seamless TV. We've got a great interview coming up for you now. I'm going to ask my panelist to introduce himself to the camera.
Hello, this is Ayman Beydoun. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of BFL Group. Been with the group for the past 5 years. It has been an exciting journey, and I look forward to many years ahead. Leading the world in off-price retail.
Fantastic. I've obviously frequented your stores many times. Well, give us a little bit of the history of where you started, what region you started in, and a little bit of your expansion.
Absolutely. So we started in 1996 in Beirut. It was pretty small business, and then we moved our headquarters to the UAE. That was in 2000, and since then we've been expanding. We have been on an expanding spree for the past 5 years, with more than 75 stores in the UAE, more than 95 stores now in the GCC region. Mainly the brands for less concept and off-price leading concept in the MENA region. So today we are expanding across all countries in the GCC first, and then we're going to expand our operations to other markets, which we are going to reveal very soon.
So from the point of view, obviously we're here talking about the retail experience, e-commerce, and obviously financial services. How do you see that as a concept within your role, and how is Brands for Less in sort of embracing the customer experience?
Well, that's definitely something that we need to weigh our power on. So meaning we have to channel all kinds of payments to the customer, because the customer now is conscious of different payment methods, such as the BNPL providers, buy now, pay later, different installments. So what we do is we try to leverage our customer data and provide them with what they need based on their feedback as well. So our customers would like buy now, pay later solutions, for example. So we partnered with 3 different providers, giving them more options. At the same time, we started our digital wallet solution, where they can have all their loyalty membership points, all the refunds, all their everything into one digital wallet, which they can use to pay, exchange items, and have everything sorted out in one application.
Okay, and that digital wallet was one of your own, so your own solution effectively to increase loyalty at the same time as enabling them to make easier payments.
Yeah, exactly. So it's one of the things that falls under the one ecosystem that we're trying to create. So it's a one cycle within the Brands for Less ecosystem that the customer can benefit from.
Fantastic. And what sort of trends have you seen across the region of how people are preferring to pay? Are they more contactless, tapping on payments? Is it more wallets, phones? What's your sort of experience?
So what we're seeing is around 62% of customers would like to pay using their mobile payment solutions, such as the tap to pay. Around 20% of our customers go with the mobile in-house developed solution, which is the digital wallet, and then the rest paying cash, which is more or less less than 23% of the customers, which is something that has significantly changed, especially after the pandemic.
Yeah, I can imagine the pandemic was quite a catalyst for a lot of people moving away from cash into that.
Correct.
Where do you think the future of cash is? Is it something you think that you'll still continue to use, or is it more and more you're seeing less and less need for it?
So as I previously said, we try to give the customer with all sort of channels, and at the same time all sort of payment options. So we'd like to continue doing the cash payment, because some tourists would like to do that instead of using their credit card and getting charged with hefty interest rates, for example. So we're going to keep all sorts of payment options to the clients for them to be benefiting from each and every transaction that they want to do.
Okay, thinking about other sort of payment options, obviously here in the Kingdom, open banking is quite a large contributor to the Vision 2030. From where we're from the UK and Europe, open banking has been around quite a while, and the term of open banking payments has come in, where consumers can actually pay directly from their bank accounts to a merchant. Is this something that you're seeing, thinking about?
So that's something that we're absolutely looking at. So we are in discussions with some players in the market, in the GCC region, and we will soon be launching that again in parallel with what they are doing in terms of initiatives, and doing that in this particular market. As you said, it's there in the US, in the UK, and in Europe. in the region, it's still new, but again, we are having some discussions with some players, and we will be riding the horse. Let me put it in that perspective.
I think that's the best way of looking at it, is because it's obviously not quite there yet.
Correct.
But it's obviously something that people are starting to talk about and starting to think about. So worth definitely some attention.
Absolutely.
And sort of thinking a little bit into the future, what do you think the trends are going to be if we were to sit down here again this time next year?
I think we'd be discussing the 3.0 world. So I think the metaverse is going to be the next channel, which we will also be providing to the customer. Again, it has been having its own peaks and lows, to put in that perspective, but I think it will be a major channel in the retail environment.
Is there going to be a Brands for Less shop in the metaverse?
If you want to know it right now, yes, we're going to have a Brands for Less shop in the metaverse. We're also going to have a unique concept in the metaverse, not the actual and usual Brands for Less concept that you see offline or online.
Sounds very intriguing. I can see you're just tempting us for more information. Hopefully watch this space and we'll see some more.
Hopefully.
Thank you very much for spending time and speaking with us here at Seamless TV, powered by the Fintech Times.
Thank you. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.